Hi, my name is Lakshmi Korpati. Today I have attended one interview for Power BI developer role. They have asked me several questions. Out of that, one question really attracted me because the same question was asked by different interviewers at different interviews. That is the how do you handle comma separated values? Comma separated values can be handled in the following ways. CSV file that can be loaded as data source for the dashboard. And suppose if we are having data in a column with comma separated, for example, a product, a region, and states. Suppose all the states are in one column with comma separation. So how do we handle? Suppose we are having rows which are unpivoted and we wanted to bring it to one column with a comma separation. How do we do? So let us see on Power BI desktop. Here is the Power BI desktop. Now I'm going to load a comma separated file. Go to get data, and here there are multiple data sources are available. So let's take text or CSV and go connect. Now I'm having multiple CSV files here. So let me select the location CSV file. This is the data what I'm getting. Here I have multiple options, like a column, how the delimiter is there in the CSV file. It can be a column, comma, equal sign, or semicolon, space, tab. If none of these above, then you can select a custom or even fixed width also is there. So ours is a comma separated. So let's have comma separated, and all other things are it's okay by standard. Now load the data. Okay. Now we got the data here. The different countries, location, and continent, year, and population. All the data is available. We can go to report and create our dashboard whatever way we want. This first way of handling. Then let's see what is the next one. Comma separated values from a column transform to rows. Now let's see how to do. Now in this we don't have any such kind of data. So since we understood this, let's delete it. Not required. Delete. Delete. Okay. Now let us load an Excel file which is having the comma separated values. So let me load this. Okay. Now I got it. Become skills. Oh, I got it. Oh, this first row is the column name. That name and skill set that is also coming as a data. So what we need to do is to go home and do transform data and use first row as header. Okay, got it. Now our assignment is to transform this multiple values which are available as a comma separated, transform this to rows, that is unpure data. So what this will do, select this row and go to split by delimiter. There are so many different options are there. So or split by delimiter. Then otherwise also we can right click and we can split column. Same will come here also. Here the separator again, multiple things are there. So it's comma separation and each occurrence. Then go to advanced. Now I don't want to make as a columns. I want to make as a rows. So go as a rows, and I don't have any delimiter. So none. My work is done. My work is done. Now I need. Oh, this is space. Some extra space is coming because I had SQL comma space SQL server like that was there. So how do we remove this? Go to transformation and print. That's it. Okay. Now there is another method of doing this. So let me remove this. Since we have understood this, let me remove. Okay. Now this is the data I wanted to transform to rows, but I don't want to use the splitter. Split that is available in the ribbon. So we need to go to add column and custom column. So I'm adding a custom column. What's the name we want? On pivot skills. Okay. Here there is text dot split. Okay. Text dot split. Split what? I want to split skill set. Then this is how we want to split. We want to split based on comma. Okay. Now close the bracket and see there is no error here. So say okay. Oh, here now we got the list, but I don't want list. So what to do? Now expand to new rows. There is one more, is expand to values. If I click expand to values, that will give as it is the values. The value comes as it is, but I want to split it to new rows. This is a different thing. Here, the advantage is we can still see the original column, and here the data is split. Now the same old trick. Go to transformation, print. Use another. Now, though it is not part of the interview question, additionally what we can do is this unpivoted values. How do we pivot? Now I want to see the values like this. I don't want to see like this. My data is like this. I want to see like this. SQL, comma, SQL server, comma, data stage, like that. Different. So how do we do that? For that, let's go to home. And earlier we used the split column. Now let us use group by. See, here we have selected this, so it is trying to group by whatever we selected column. So Now what we need is we need to group by this one and transform this one. So now group by C is group by 2 columns are coming. Now what is the column name we want? This is a unpivot to pivot. Unpivot to pivot. Pivot. Okay. Since it's a grouping, it will give some average, median, all this grouping things it will give. But this is not what we want. So select something and we will modify that. And what is the column? Not name column. We are interested in unpivoted skills column. So say okay. This is giving error here. So because grouping, we have selected some, but some it cannot do the character values. So the problem here is I don't want to use sum. Instead, I want to use text dot. Earlier we used split. Now let's use combine. Combine. Earlier we used the text. Now let's use combine. Combine by what? Combine by comma. Comma and space. Okay. Now enter. See, we've got. See, earlier data was in column row based. Now row is transformed to columns with comma separated, and we are given here comma space. So uniformly comma space. See here in the original Excel it was like SSIS comma SSRS comma SSAS. In that fashion it is there, no space here. Here space was there, but here I am getting space because we are given here space. If I don't give space uniformly, it will remove space. This is how we can handle a comma separated value in Power BI. Thank you. If you have any question or any comment on this, please leave a comment in the comment section. And if you like it, click on like. Thank you. Take care.